So we've talked a lot about versioning APIs in this module, and hopefully you've seen that versioning can be difficult, but is a necessary part of having an API that users use. Version controllers can get you pretty far there in separating both implementations that have to exist, ones that you haven't sunsetted, as well as new implementations that may have expanded functionality for new users. The controller selector becomes key in most situations where you want to do versioning to figure out how to point at specific controllers in specific cases. You can certainly do routing to do this all in the URL path, but I find that ends up becoming more maintenance than it really helps. You've seen that you can version your API in a variety of ways, and the one that works best for your project is really going to be a domain decision. So for organizations where your user base may not be all that sophisticated, being able to do things like using the URL or the query string for versioning is a really simple approach. For having more sophisticated developers that are going to use the API, using headers, accept headers, custom media types, or even just a version header can certainly lend itself to separating the idea of version from the URL, which tends to be cleaner in the long run and helps maintenance of your API. Finding which one is right for your organization isn't a trivial exercise, but as you look and play with how these things work and hopefully follow it along as I build the code, you should start seeing the one that your organization is probably going to be most comfortable with. This has been Module 4. My name is Sean Wildermuth of Wilder Minds. Thank you.